Hemant, read the letters.
A, B, K, D, E.
Kapil, read.
A, B, K, D, E.
Very good. Hemant, start reading.
F, G, H, G, J.
Repeat again from first.
F, G, H,
E,
E, J, G,
K,
K,
L.
L, M, N, O.
Very good. Okay. Kapil, start reading.
F, G, H, E, J, G,
K,
K,
K. Repeat again. Second line.
F,
Second line.
K, L, M, N, O.
Okay, well done. Hemant, start reading.
P, Q, R,
R,
R, S, T,
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 A,
O, V, Y,
X,
X, Y,
Y,
Y, Z,
Z.
U,
Kapil, start reading.
P, K, R,
R,
R, S,
S,
S, S,
T,
T,
A,
O, V, Y,
W,
W,
X,
X,
Y,
Y,
Z. Okay, better luck next time. Okay, children, today listen. You are going to play one game. What you have to do? You have to form a 2-letter word. Then second round you have to form 3-letter word. Okay, let's see how long you can go. So are you ready?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, form a 2-letter word. Both of you. Fast, quick.
On.
On. Very good. What's the spelling?
O-N. On.
Very good. Kapil is searching for letters. Which letter you are searching? Any 2-letter word.
Us.
What have you formed?
U-S.
US, us. Very good, very good. Now round 2, we are going for 3-letter word. Come on. Any 3-letter words.
Cat. C-A-D. Cat.
So Kapil has finished. What word we have formed?
Cat. C-A-D. Cat.
Okay, very good. C-A-T, cat. Yes. Hemant is searching for words. You can search there also.
Pot.
What is the spelling?
P-O-T.
P-O-T, pot. Yes, very good. Now shall we go for 4-letter word?
Yes, ma'am.
Try. Give your effort. Let's see.
Fast.
What word you have formed?
F-A-S-T.
Fast. You have formed 4-letter word. Very good. Okay. Now shuffle the cards. We'll wait for Kapil to form one word.
Road.
Okay, so how have you formed? R-O-A-D, road. Okay, you are showing to me means you are showing like this, okay? R-O-A-D. Then it is correct. Yes. Very good. You have formed 4-letter word. Okay, very good. Yes.